Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. In today's video, I'm going to give you a room tour of Swahili Beach Resort that is located in Diani, Kenya. This is where I currently am at this time, and I wanted to take you and show you how the room looks like, how the room at Swahili Beach Resort looks like. So I'm staying in a superior room, so we're going to do this video so that you can see the room and what it entails. I really like the room, like really like it. So enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's start our room tour with the bed. That's my bag plus my camera, but this is how the bed looks like. So there are switches here for the lights, and when you come here you go to the luggage rack. That's my luggage, so I've put my Care's towel and the rest. And then here we have the phone in case you need to call reception. This is the phone, and then they give you the important numbers that you can call. And yeah, so basically this is how the bed looks like. This is how it looks like. So then now we have this. So the resort is Swahili and Arabic style inspired. That's why you'll see, like the way you see this rug, there is a touch of Swahili culture and also a touch of Arabic interior decor. So that's the trash can. Then you have a reading desk here. There is a reading desk. That's my phone that's charging. There is a mirror here. There is a bedside lamp. I really like this interior decor here. Love that. And then here we have the room service menu. So in case you need room service, this is the cost. And just in case you need room service. And then there is the spa listing. And I haven't yet read that, so I don't know what that is for. Oh, it says my name is Silas, and I will be your room attendant during your stay. If there is anything special you may require, please feel free to contact me at any time, or if you note any shortcomings on my behalf, please bring these to my attention, and I will rectify them immediately. Oh. Okay, and then when you hang your bath towels, it indicates that you would like to reuse them. Okay, so yeah, that's Silas. Silas is my room attendant. For some reason, I had not read that when I came in. I just looked at the spa menu and I was looking at this. So when you come here, we now go to the TV. This is the TV. You can see there. And then this is complimentary drinking water. It's me who moved it, but each is supposed to be like at the end. There's a coffee station here with some coffee. If you need, coffee and all that, you can get it here. You can boil. There's that. These, I think, are tissues. Yes, these are tissues. I'll just pick one. And yeah, that's to control the AC. So the room has AC because, of course, Diani is a hot place, so there is an AC here. And then now we're going to open these. There is a mini fridge in case you have any stuff that you want to put in. So, oops, I think it's this side, yeah. So here it is. If you've bought stuff of the room service menu, you can just put your chilled drinks in here. We'll close that one. And then here is my safe. So I think I'm stepping out to go to the beach, so I think I'll leave my passport and some of my money in here. So yeah, that's the safe. And now this is the entrance. So when you enter, this is where I entered. That's my main door. There is a hall. The thing I like about this room is just how spacious it is. There's like a hallway. So when you come like this, you're walking, and you come here. So that it's so spacious. very, very spacious and big enough. This is my closet space. I already put my shoes there. You get an umbrella, you get bathroom slippers. I'm wearing some of them here. So they give you two, and I know they replace them. There's a laundry bag, then there is a large mirror here, in case you need to see yourself. So there's a mirror and an umbrella and the hangers. I don't know if I'll really be hanging my clothes here, but for someone who would like to use them, there they are. So now let's go to the bathroom. So the bathroom has two places, like two places where you can open to enter here, and then there is another one there. So you come through the room, and enter your bathroom, or you can come through the side where I'm currently standing. So now this is the bathroom. I ignore my lotion, I just took a shower, so that's my lotion and my other stuff. So there is a hand dryer in case you need to wash your hair. You get two bowl sinks, then you get these cups. I'll use those to brush my teeth. That's my makeup. Here you get hand and body lotion plus hand wash, and then you also get a mirror here. So there's this big large mirror. Now we go to this part. So this part is where the towels are. So I already used one because I took a shower when I arrived, but all these are towels here and there, and they replace them. So this is my shower cup. There were two shower cups. I used one when I was showering. There is a sanitary bag in case you need use of that. And then there is the vanity kit. Yeah, so this is the section. Then here I have a bathtub. I think I'll use that in the night. That's when I'll use the bathtub. And then maybe that's just the window. And then here is the bathroom. I already took a shower from here, so if you see the water, it's because I just showered from there. This is the pressure for the shower. So I like the shower pressure. It was good. So when we come here, you get these. Sorry, it's taking so long to focus, but you get hair shampoo, you get hair conditioner, and you get body wash. So here we have cold and hot. So this part is for the shower, and then this part is for the bathtub. And then here you get two bathrobes. So yeah, that is it. We will just walk through, and I can take you to the balcony. So now we are headed to the balcony. So let's open. This is my view. It's a very, very gorgeous view. I'm going to be swimming later, so that's the pool area. And yeah, this is how it looks like. There are other rooms just ahead, and the plants. Basically what you'd expect on a beach holiday. This is stunning. So stunning. If you look here, there's the other side, and if you're actually seeing, you can see the touch of Swahili. Yeah, so this is that, and then this is where I can sit. It's my sitting area. I sit at the balcony, and the balcony is also very spacious as well. But I really, really love this view. I like it. So guys, that was it for the room tour of Swahili Beach Resort. I hope you were able to have a look at the room, but also to see what to expect when you book this place. And yeah, so basically I wanted to take you around. I really love the room. First, I love how spacious it is. Second, I love the view. I booked a room on the second floor because I knew I wanted a good view. So I like that I have a view of the pool. I like that it's very spacious. It's just the perfect room that I would love. This is exactly what I like. I like the decor. I love the interior design. I love that it's not too flashy. I love that the decor has a touch of vintage and modern. So I really like that, from the carpets to the, to the furniture that is used. Like you see that the furniture in the background of this video, and as you saw in the video. So I really like that. Also, the staff are really friendly, so friendly. I really love how attentive they are, very helpful. And also the other thing I like about Swahili Beach Resort is the fact that check-in has been made easier. I took like 10 to 15 minutes to check in, so you can even check in before you come. There is a specific app, so when you book they share that with you, and you can check in before you come, or even when you come and use the app, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. I really liked that. Just input my information. I took a photo of my passport. I didn't need to carry now the passport and now give it to the person has to see it, then has to give it back to me, then has to ask me questions. I feel like the app just makes everything easy and eliminates, and you can even check in before you even come to the resort. So when you come to the resort and you've checked in, it's so smooth. So basically that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.